developer. Um, I studied in India, not in the IT field, but यहाँ के फिर मैंने शुरू करा, and I've been in the field for 15 years. I'm trying to handle both the work and life and home balance. Fortunately, my in-laws were here. They were very supportive. We just lost our mom recently, mother-in-law. So, but I've been fortunate to have parents who are very supportive and in-laws very supportive, and definitely my husband. So that's about it.
So much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It was nice. So where do you work?
I work for in downtown Phoenix, company called CVO. It's called Commercial Vehicle Optimization. Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you for that narration. Okay, so in the meantime, I have a video of showing some of the contributions of Ramaji in the society where we are still deciding. So I'm going to take over the screen and give me a moment.
Everybody
kindly mute.
Aww.
Okay. Can you hear it now? You guys can hear it?
Start playing. Yeah, I can.
कि मेरा नाम हटा दीजिए इसमें से।
But it's slow, Himani.
Society में कैसे stand करना, how to be confident, how to be lead the society, the same all the knowledge उनके अंदर हम लोग डाल सके, इसके लिए जिसको लंबा देने पूरा किया। तो मतलब ये है कि हम जब किसी चीज की This is our very own Ramaji. Ramaji, do you want to say a few words? You guys can hear me, right? Ramaji?
That's okay, Simangi.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. So I was asking, do you want to say a few words about all this achievement?
No, that's okay. Going to take more time. So just if you want to speak something, that's okay for me.
You are basically, I think, an inspiration for all of us and all the, I think the schools you are running and all the, like, for the girl child, right? I think your society contributions are really, I think it's an inspiration for all of us. So thank you for that. And it's, I think, yeah, it's a motivation for all of us that we can manage everything. Like we can manage a business as well as get out there and help other people as well. So thank you for all your efforts. Thank you. Okay. Let's ask our judges. Are they ready? And Saruji or Prabhaji, one of you would like to announce the winners. Saruji, are you on mute? I can't hear you.
I know I unmuted. Just waiting for Geeta ji and
I send it to Ramba.
Perfect. Ramba ji, can you send it to Prabha ji and me, please?
already
प्रभा
I
जी को भेज दिया है।
Okay, Prabhaji, please go ahead and announce.
सारू जी को भी बोल
ठीक है,
दीजिए।
sorry।
वो हमसे नाराज है।
नहीं लगता है, लेकिन हेल्प आप ही करती हैं।
नहीं problem.
Saru, you can do it for me on behalf of me. That's fine.
Okay, now I'm just waiting for the information. So,
Done. Done, सारू जी।
okay. This is going to be a tough decision. And
Yeah.
go ahead, Prabhaji.
Yeah, I'm just saying, personally, I don't like to give pick people, winner and loser. I don't like that. I want everybody to be the winner. But whatever we have decided, that's fine. Go ahead, Saru.
One game, Prabhadi.
Huh?
So nobody going to mind.
No, I know. But as I said, I don't feel comfortable in telling people.
Just I
who
want
are,
to let everyone know this is the fun game.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
just
So
for fun, I know, yeah.
Saru has it, right? Saru, we talked about that.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, go ahead.
For the age group between 80 and 30, Vijeta Tomar.
Vijeta, can you come and then I'll clap for you?
Thank you so much.
Hi, Vijeta. She's the winner for.
Okay. And for 30 to 39, we have a tie. The tie is between Reenaba Sudharsama and Pratiksha Rathod. And being Pratiksha being in our team, I don't know whether we can do that or not to do.
I think Reenaba should be the winner.
Thank you, Ms. Pratiksha.
So you should be the winner.
There was two people.
So Reenaba, okay, so I think we decided, and thank you, Pratiksha, for
your generous and being, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But Reenaba, so congratulations.
Thank you, Reenaba. And the third category we have is the age group between 40 to 49. And we have Miss Reena Gohil. Okay, Reena Gohil, she's the one with the sword. And there's a tie also.
Thank you.
Okay, Reenaba, and between Reenaba and Rambaji. So,
I'll go with Reenaba.
thank you.
Oh no, I'm fine. Even I like your dressing. It's really
कोई
nice.
बात नहीं, मैं ले लेती हूँ.
Thank you so much.
And the age group 50 plus, we have Dr. Neelam Chudasama.
Yeah.
Okay, that we don't disagree, and we are all, I think our wavelength is perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving us an opportunity.
Yeah, thank you so much. And
50 and up, me and Pushpaji win!
Yes.
You're always a winner.
We are the winners.
Great.
The born winner.
Yes.
हमको अलाउ करें तो मैं पुष्पा जी को सब एज ग्रुप का विनर बनाऊंगा और प्रभा जी को, दोनों को.
Thank you.
so, I just want to say our sponsors, from our sponsors team, I think either Sangeeta ji will reach out to the winners. We have the winner's name, and they will contact them, and whatever prizes we have, small or big, I have no idea, but they will reach out to you. So congratulations once again, guys.
I Amazon.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with this. Let's move on. I think we've already passed our timeline. So I just want to quickly invite Sangeeta ji. You had a poem, a Kavita on Nari Shakti. Would you like to take on the stage, please?
Let me put her on spotlight.
We have like two more, including Sangeeta ji, we have two more events, and then we will be ready to wrap up.
Yeah, time to eat.
Yeah, my kids are roaming around.
पुष्पा जी मुझे भूख लग रही है.
Okay, Sangeeta ji, are you here?
Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead, Sangeeta ji.
Okay, so I have a poem. It's the title is Hamari Tarah. So I'm going to read it. तुम्हें अहंकार है ना कि तुम पुरुष हो, क्या कभी बन पाओगे हमारी तरह? बताओ ना, क्या खुद से ज्यादा तुम हमारा ख्याल रख सकोगे? शौक, सहेली, आजादी, बचपन का घर छोड़कर खुश रह पाओगे? तुम्हें लगता है कि क्या कि तुम माँ बाप को भूलकर नई जगह रच बस जाओगे हमारी तरह?
तो बताया था ना।
जब सबकी याद आएगी अंदर ही, रोकर मुस्कुरा पाओगे हमारी तरह? तुम्हें अहंकार है ना कि तुम पुरुष हो, क्या कभी बन पाओगे हमारी तरह? बताओ ना, क्या तुम सहमे से रहकर अपनी संस्कार की परीक्षा दे सकोगे? तुम्हारी पसंद समझी ना जाए अगर, क्या फिर अपनी इच्छा कह सकोगे? तुम्हें कैसा लगेगा जब तुम कुछ कहना चाहो, बातें अटक कर रह जाएंगी, सर से पल्लू गिर जाए अगर सबको खटक जाएंगी? दर्द, त्याग, ममता, शक्ति, प्रेम भाव हृदय में रखकर बिना शिकायत खुशी खुशी तुम सब कर पाओगे हमारी तरह? तुम्हें अहंकार है ना कि तुम पुरुष हो, क्या कभी बन पाओगे हमारी तरह? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta. It was beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so
Sangeeta ji.
Let's move on to our last item for the day, and that is Pratiksha. Pratiksha, you wanted to sing a song called Muskurale Tu, and I think it's a perfect and would be the perfect ending, listening to the title Muskurale Tu. So let's end it on a happy note. I would like you to sing that song, Pratiksha.
Thank you, Himani. I didn't thought I would get the chance. I thought there are many other people.
I will not skip you, Pratiksha. Don't worry.
Okay. So this song particularly, I like it very much. So, and I felt it is the right time to sing it. So, खुल के मुस्कुरा ले तो दर्द को शर्माने दे, बूंदों को धरती पर साज एक बजाने दे, हवाएं कह रही है, हवाएं कह रही है, आजा झूले जरा, उछल के आसमां को आजा झूले जरा, खुल के मुस्कुरा ले तू दर्द को शर्माने दे। झील एक आदत है तुझ में ही तो रहती है, और नदी शरारत है तेरे संग बहती है, उतारे गम की मोजे ज़मीं को गुदगुदाने दे, कंकरों को तलवों पे गुदगुदी तू मचाने दे, हवाएं कह रही है, हवाएं कह रही है, आजा झूले जरा, गगन के गाल को चल जाके छूले जरा, खुल के मुस्कुरा ले तू दर्द को शर्माने दे, बूंदों को धरती पर साज एक बजाने दे। Thank you.
That was beautiful, and I loved your expressions. So you were very
so much,
into the song, so
very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so I think this is the end of our show, and I would like to call Sangeeta ji for a vote of thanks. But before I pass on the baton to her, I just want to thank you everyone to be so patient here. And I felt it was what do you call it? Productive event we had, like where we could talk, discuss things, enjoy, had fun, share some of our experience, good or bad. So it was a really productive show, and you all were a great audience. So thank you so much. And I will call Sangeeta ji and Ramaji and whoever wants to basically give a word of thanks. Thank you. Go ahead.
The positive vibes we have today, I want this to retain.
So just I want to say thanks to everyone to join this event. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it is a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. So thank you everyone. Thanks for joining us, and happy Women's Day again. And if you want to stay, you can stay. Those who wish to drop out can drop out for a little chit chat, because right now here it's 6:30, 6:35, 6:55. So, but in East Coast, maybe it's 9 or 10. So it's your sleeping time. You guys can drop out.
I just say whoever wants to sing with Satyinji can stay here. Like who wants to join his singing program now, I think they can stay. Right, Satyinji?
Need to give shout out to Mr.
Yeah, we can do singing kind of Antakshari or singing.
Saruji, you want to say something? Go
Yeah,
ahead.
big shout out to.
मैं भी आप सभी लोगों को थैंक यू सो मच बोलूंगी, अपने प्रेशियस टाइम को निकाल कर आप लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया, और आप लोग हैं तब ये नारी शक्ति है और हम लोग कुछ कर पा रहे हैं। तो आप सबका सपोर्ट है इसको आगे बढ़ाने में, और मैं हार्टली अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
और मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ अपने सीनियर्स को। वो लोग आए, बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग आए और इतनी देर तक बैठे रहे। अब तो हमें आपका आशीर्वाद भी मिल गया है।
जी को भी बोलो।
और सरिता
जी भी कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? अगर
मैं चाहूंगी, ये भी एरिजोना राजपूत की फाउंडर में, स्टार्टिंग में फाउंडर में से एक हैं।
अभी थी वो।
1 second, ladies.
Okay, thank you very much for this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Saruji, it's really hard to hear you. I think your microphone is
hiding from me. Okay, can you hear me now?
No, yeah, better.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, big shout out to Mr. Ram Singh. He made me recall about Ardhanarishwar, because he said without men and women we both are equal. A big shout out.
Yes.
Because Shivratri is coming, and I cannot thank him enough.
और श्वेता, thank you Saruji, he is my uncle and I will pass your message to him.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. और
So
Okay, thank you.
श्वेता जी को रिक्वेस्ट मैं करूंगी कि कुछ कहना चाहें। I see she is joining.
I just want to
from Atlanta.
I want to say thank you to Rambha and all the girls. That you look pretty and you did very fantastic job. And I would give credit to everybody, but Rambha started it, so credit goes to her also. And then good job, everybody. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.
Thank you, Auntie.
Yeah, see you. God bless you all. I'm so happy that we are connected this way. So God bless you all. Now I'm taking off. Thank you very much.
आंटी जी, आपने ज्वाइन किया और हम लोग को
You called me so many times. I chose. I could not.
Yeah, always you have to join, and
it's good, beta. It's very good, very good.
We
Yes.
need elders लोगों की blessing.
Blessings are always there. It doesn't cost me anything. Okay, God bless you, Rani. God bless you all.
Thank you, Auntie.
मिली है वहाँ पे।
और जो भी अपना मिली, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
नमस्ते, हेलो। मैं अटलांटा, जॉर्जिया अटलांटा से हूँ। अभी 4 साल हुए मुझे यहाँ आए हुए।
वेलकम।
और ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं मेरे पास कहने के लिए।
मिली, गा दो गाना।
ओह
और
अभी नहीं, फिर कभी गा देंगे। अभी नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब फिर से हमारी मीटिंग होगी ऐसे तो पक्का
बिल्कुल
गाएंगे।
होगी।
मैं एक जोक
आपको
सुनाना
मिलकर
चाहती हूँ।
बहुत खुशी हुई, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर आकर, मतलब इतने लोगों से मिले जाने। ये कम्युनिटी इतनी अच्छी बनी हमारी, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ज्वाइन करके आप लोगों को।
थैंक यू मिली।
Okay, I have to go. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure looking at, seeing everybody. Everybody looked beautiful. सबकी बातें भी अच्छी थी, and time well spent. And now I have to go back, wash my dishes, बर्तन साफ करूं, बत्ती चूल्हा बंद, and then go to bed.
थैंक यू
ये
वेरी
देखिए
मच।
सब ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस में है,
आप
मैं नहीं
सबको
हूँ तो
वेलकम
मेरे को अच्छा भी
करने
नहीं
के
लग रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा है कि
लिए
जाकर पहले साड़ी पहन कर आऊं।
Yeah.
लेवल पे। हाँ,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
प्रभा जी, मैंने सुना कि बर्तन कोई और धोता है आपके घर में।
नहीं भैया, मैं आम घर की रानी, मैं आम घर की नौकरानी, दोनों।
Babaji, you steal the show. I love you.
Sorry.
You steal the show. I love you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. अच्छा, ठीक है. If you want to be a leader, if there is a parade going on, and if you are back in the line, go in the front. You are the leader.
सही बात।
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Okay, Poonam ji want to give a joke. Poonam ji, floor is yours.
Yes,
Yeah, so actually आप लोगों ने ये जोक सुना भी होगा, पर मतलब अक्सर सब लोग पूछ रहे थे कि भाई कैसे पता चले कि हमारे पास पावर है। ये है पावर तो उस दिन पता चल जाता है जब 500 लोग एक लड़की को लेने आते हैं और वो एक लड़की अकेली जाके उस घर पे राज करती है।
ये तो सही बात है।
ये तो मेरे घर की कहानी है।
जिसकी गरज हो वही लेने आता है।
हाँ, तो वो लोग लेकिन अकेले नहीं आ पाते, डरते हैं ना।
नहीं बहुत डरते हैं। और एक
लड़का अकेला आ नहीं पाता, 500 लोग को लेके आता है, लड़की अकेली चली जाती है अपने घर से
और जीवन भर राज करते। गुड वन, वेरी गुड पूनम जी।
भाभी जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे रंभा जी आप सबके ग्रुप से जुड़ के, और कभी कभी इन्फॉर्मली मिल लिया करें, ज्यादा डिस्कशन हो सकता है 2 मिनट में, तो इतना ज्यादा कुछ
नहीं, हम लोग बात करेंगे भाभी जी। We are now strong, we have good unity.
एटलीस्ट सबको फिजिकली देख लिया ना, वैसे तो चलता रहता है व्हाट्सएप, बट इट वाज गुड।
मैं भी ड्रॉप हो रही हूँ, हमारे यहाँ डिनर का टाइम हो गया है। जैसे प्रभा जी ने बोला वो बर्तन चौका हमें भी करना है।
हम लोग ऐसे फैमिली टॉक भी किसी मंच में कर सकते हैं पूनम।
We can just do this, you know,
जैसे कि रेखा जी हैं और हम लोग हैं, कोई भी आना चाहे ओपन है सबके लिए। 1 आवर 2 आवर का रख सकते हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल उसमें जरा खुल के बात कर सकते हैं। अच्छा,
Thank you, everyone. I just wanted to say I'm dropping off as well. Thank you, and hope to see you guys later.
हम लोग ऐसे फैमिली डिस्कशन फिर कभी प्लान कर सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल,
फैमिली सब कुछ है, इनफॉर्मली बात करने में बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं एक दूसरे के।
यस।
अब मुझे भी ड्रॉप करना है, हमारे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन तो आज बेचारे पता नहीं सो गए, मैं 4-6 घंटे से यहाँ बिजी हूँ।
ओके,
अभी हम लोग करते हैं, फिर नेक्स्ट मंथ में करेंगे,
फिर मिलेंगे।
थैंक यू रेखा जी, थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू प्रतीक्षा, हिमानी,
थैंक यू एवरीवन।
थैंक यू टीम।
अब हम सब तो होस्ट हैं, कहना ही
नारी शक्ति जिंदाबाद,
गो टीम। हमने बहुत मेहनत की भाई, आज मैं थोड़ा सा बिजी थी लेकिन बहुत मेहनत की सबने।
सबके लिए तालियां।
तो
सबके
आज
लिए तालियां।
की मीटिंग आप लोग की है तो हस्बैंड लोग खाना वाना मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा आज?
आज खाना बाहर से आएगा।
बाहर जाएगा।
रिकॉर्डिंग
तो रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दें।
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग तो आप कर दीजिए।